Hey everyone, if you're trying to export a project in Kapwing and keep getting an export failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common ways to fix Kapwing export failed problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try exporting again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the export process, and a simple refresh may solve the issue. Next, check your internet connection. Kapwing is a cloud-based editor, so a weak or unstable connection can cause exports to fail before they're completed. Make sure all of your media files have finished uploading properly. If a video, image, or audio file is still processing in the background, Kapwing may not be able to generate the final export. Before exporting, save your project and remove any unnecessary clips, effects, or assets that you no longer need. Simpler projects generally process more reliably. If none of these solutions work, contact Kapwing support and provide details about your project, browser version, file types, and any error messages you're receiving. And that's how to fix Kapwing export failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your browser, re-uploading media, or simplifying the project will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.